Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to allow specific users to see your phone number on Telegram web right on your PC using the latest update. This feature is perfect if you want to stay private while letting a few trusted people reach you more easily. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see 3 lines. That's the menu icon. Click on it. From the menu, choose Settings. When the Settings panel opens, select Privacy and Security. This area controls all your privacy preferences, including who can see your phone number, your online status, and more. Next, find the option labeled Who can see my phone number? Click on that. A list of visibility options will appear. Choose Nobody to make sure your number stays hidden from everyone by default. Now look for the button that says Always Allow. This is where the magic happens. Click on Always Allow and Telegram will let you select specific users who can see your phone number even when it's hidden from everyone else. From your contact list, pick the people you trust or want to share your number with. You can choose multiple users or just one. It's entirely up to you. After selecting them, hit Confirm to save the changes. Telegram will immediately update the settings, so only the chosen users will be able to view your phone number, while the rest of your contacts will continue seeing nothing at all.